Hey everybody, I want to tell you about this product that I came across called Dodow. It's a sleep aid that helps you fall asleep. If you're anything like me, you get a really restless mind at night and it's really hard to sleep, your thoughts get to racing. This little device helps you calm down. It gives you an exercise to do. You put it by your bed on the table or something, turn on the light, and it throws the light on the ceiling, and as the light gets bigger, you breathe in. And as the light gets smaller, you breathe out. It's a 8-minute cycle. You can also do a 20-minute cycle, but basically it just helps you relax, quiet your brain, go to sleep. It's really helped me a lot, and I think it'll help you too. So it's called Dodow. Go and check it out.